Good evening, sir.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening, sir.
Good evening. Okay, guys. సో ఈరోజు డెమాన్స్ట్రేషన్ ఎవరు చేస్తున్నారు? నిన్న మనం అనుకున్నాం కదా. ఎవరు చెప్తున్నారండి?
సార్ శ్రీరామ్ సార్.
ఎస్ శ్రీరామ్, చెప్పండి. నిన్న మీరు చెప్తా అన్నారు కదా.
అవును సార్, ఫారెన్ ఎక్స్చేంజ్.
ఎస్.
హలో. Yes, sir.
Please continue and close the topic in 15 minutes. After that, మనం ఇది క్రియేట్ చేసుకుందాము. ఫారిన్ కరెన్సీ సంబంధించి విత్ హోల్డింగ్ ట్యాక్స్ సంబంధించి కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ చేద్దాం.
ఓకే సార్. ఫారెన్ ఎక్స్చేంజ్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ తో పాటు నేను ఏపీపీ క్లియరింగ్.
ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. ప్లీజ్ కంటిన్యూ.
ఓకే సార్. So, hi guys. Today I'm going to explain about the foreign exchange. First, let's try to understand what's the foreign exchange. Foreign exchange is all about transactions that other than the local currency, which we given in our company code. For example, currently we are select that INR for INR, that is in rupees. So, other than INR, whatever the transactions we do in the currency, so it is called the foreign exchange. So for that we have some configuration. We have some T codes. First of all, we need to know about the T codes. One is check exchange rate types. So it is a OB07, and we have some default some default codes that provided by the SAP, which is B, G, M, and M. B is all about bank selling rate, and G is about bank buying rate, and M is standard average rate. Here selling and buying in the sense of export and import, we need to take accordingly. And after we need to select this and save into the configuration, we need to give transaction ratios to those codes in a server. This is not for a one company code. I think, as of my knowledge, it is once we enter in the server, it will be reflect for all company codes. So let me open SAP first. So as per notepad, first we need to go for OB07. So here you can find that B that I have already told about the BGM. So this is, we can see that it is about bank selling rate. So like we need to select this one, and G, which is for a standard, and next one is for a standard transaction average. Sorry, it is an average actually. G is for buying, and M is for standard. We need to select this. And it depends on the company also. Whatever the client or company decided, we need to take that accordingly. And as per company norms, we need to clear this bi-weekly, monthly, or whatever, depend on the invoice. Invoice base. What is the quantity of the invoice? So by selecting these three, and we need to click on save. And next we need to give ratios. No, not ratios. We need to next we need to give ratios for these codes, which is on OBBS. So here it is saying some like a warning message. So we can give S here. I think already our students have already done this. So let me check first. So here we can see that they're already provided information about the B. Here we can see that we need to take whatever the currency we need to do a foreign exchange, I mean export or import. We need to take that in here from and 2 is our local currency rate, and invalid from tab we need to take the date from where the from which date we need to select, and here we can see that ratios and frame to frame and ratio to. These all are ratio frame and to is conversion rate. I mean, $1 is equal to 1 INR. Like that, we need to take here. That's how we can configure for B, G, and M. So the next configuration is OB08. In OB08, we need to give the demonstration, I mean, value of that currency. So let me go through for B. So here we can see that 1 rupee is taken for 65 USD equals to. Like that, we need to take for B, G, and M, whatever the provided by our company code or client. Usually, it is taken for a standard code. Like this, we can configure the foreign exchange rate. And I'm completely basing on my knowledge or what I understood from the from the what I searched in the SAP. So I'm explaining in that way. And let me quickly go through the posting, which is invoice posting. FB60. So here you need to select the vendor first. Invoice date, reference, amount something related to 1000, and here I am selecting USD. And I am importing the raw material, so it is we need to debit that one. Okay. Value date.
Remove the value date.
Yeah. Okay, here we need to give in the sorry, this is for number. Okay, let me simulate, and
Before that, we need to check local currency is there. Local currency tab. We can identify that what currency exchange will be done or not.
Sorry.
Local currency. Local currency tab is there. After
Local currency, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
This,
you can see here. Exchange
I
rates
want to
will
show
be.
it. Yeah. I want to show it in the end. Okay. We can found that here also. Yeah.
Okay. Please continue.
So from here we can post it into it. Okay, then quickly go through the FBJT. We need some configurations to do in that one also. For
Please open items.
Yeah. I will show that later. Let me. I have very less time. Okay, here we need to select that check payment method for incoming. So this is that I have alerted to my company code. We all know that doing the same. So we need not to change anything here. So I'm just cross-verifying that actually we need to we all done this and we need to give that. Here, go to my company code, go to position and search for my company. I'm selecting it and I'm giving a ranking order. So for foreign currency, we need to add that USD also. For regular APP, we add local currency. Like that, we need to create, we need to select the ranking order and bank accounts also. We need to select for it USD and next available accounts. Here again, I'm taking the outgoing how much I can allow permission, so that that's it. And invalidate we need not to change anything. Okay, that's about the configuration in this part. Let me quickly go through the FBL1 and open items, and we need to select vendor here. So here we can see that it is actually showing in the local currency.